Is that the coupe? Well, today we are going to finally give the coupe a tune-up. Since it's been here, since I had it, I haven't tuned it up, haven't did anything to it. So, I gotta push the gas maybe 10, 15 times to get it started sometimes. It ain't firing right. So I figure new plugs, wire, distributor, ignition coil would be fine. Um, More than likely, when that kicks in, something else will go out. As usual, it's how it happens with older motors, engines, whatever you want to call it. Tongue tie. Anyway, it's early, so later today, I'm going to get to that. When it's done, possibly we'll start overheating or some goofy thing such as that. You know how I go, all you mechanics. And I ain't even a mechanic. I just figured it out. So, fix one thing, something else goes bad. After we get the motor running right, I'll find that knock that I believe to be the passenger side motor mount and the housing from the flex plate or flywheel, should I say. Um, and possibly the flywheel need replacing. It is a 1979. So we'll see what happens with that part. And later on, we'll come back out and get that done. I'm not going to show y'all the work because I can't hold this camera, iPod, whatever it is, while I'm doing the work. Just ain't going to happen. It ain't the way I get in. So later on, y'all, we starting to lag living back up. We'll have the coupe done soon. Will just changed the plugs in the wire, and I got this ticking noise in here. After a lot of study, I realized that I shouldn't have used Autolite spark plugs. So I had to go to AutoZone, got me some AC Delcos, and I forgot to get another coil. So got me another coil so I can figure out where that noise is. It got me a stethoscope. Never had too much of that anti-seize either. So I'm gonna redo this, see what happens. I'll let y'all hear the tick. Get this stuff out the way before it falls. See if I can get it to turn over without pushing the gas. That's it. Up. So, come back. I have it ready. Change the plugs and wire. Plugs over. Put the new ignition coil on there. And then see what happens. We'll be back later, y'all. Alright. Y'all didn't see no work getting done, but it's all new AC Delco plugs in there now. So I gotta reset the timing, which I'm about to do in a second. So I will come back when that's done. Then we'll fire on up. See what happens. See if I get the tick, 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 tick noise. Crap. Holla. Well, running much better now. No more ticks. Tick is gone. All time. There you have it. Now just get rid of the knot and we out of there. YouTube. As always, whenever you fix one thing on a vehicle, something else happens. So, I had to take that off. It's the air compressor. So, that one was seized up anyway, so it had to come off. I figured I'd get it off in order to get the thermostat housing off. And the gasket, as you can see, is worn out. Extremely worn out. And this is the old thermostat. Don't believe it was doing its job. So, our good friends at Advanced Auto hooked us up with the new thermostat and the gasket and a lower hose. You never can have enough of this silicone right here. So I'm gonna replace that. I'll show you what it's looking like. It looks a mess under here, but we getting it in. It's real dirty down in there. Gives me a chance to clean everything too. So we'll replace that. And that should be that for the motor. Hopefully that won't overheat again. That was a good thing that it overheated though. Rather it did it in the garage than outside. So we're gonna get the motor running, get everything nice and quiet, then we'll get it all cleaned up. Until then, we still lack living. Had to get some yard work done, YouTube. So, we didn't get to finish much. I'm getting it together though. Got her jacked up, ready to go up under the bottom. You can't see much. Let's see if I can turn the light on. Shed some light on the subject. If I could find a plug, which way it actually goes in. There it is. Ooh. Y'all probably can't see that, but I can. But she is definitely up off the floor. It's getting dark in here, so let's see if I can get a little more light on the subject. What else? Gotta leave you alone. So, that being said, I'm out of here. I just wanted something to end it on while I was cleaning my dirty yard and getting rid of stuff. Once again, y'all, Black Living.